So, Stavros, nice to have a quiet breakfast together, eh? True? I've had my toast and marmalade, you've had your fish fingers and a few mealworms. It's been very relaxing, huh? True? Relaxing? I still feel you want to come into my kitchen. You seem to be nosing around a bit. You could always pop in here and hide if Sassy and Sybil show up. Yeah? Maybe? You could try that. Yeah? Maybe? That'd be a good plan. Okay. Good boy. So what are you up to today, mate? Seafront? Seafront later? Maybe? Seafront? Yep. Maybe? Why not? I would, if I could fly around. I need to get on, really. Yeah? We'll say goodbye for the moment. Well, not goodbye. You want to come in, don't you? Are you having a nose in my kitchen? Yep. Are you having a nose? Whoops. Good boy.